What up guys, it's Crypto Ether back at it again with another crypto video. As always, I never give financial advice. Always do your own research. We live in a super volatile crypto market, so never invest more than you're willing to lose. That being said guys, huge Saitama video for you today. If you guys are not familiar, there is a really big Dubai Expo going on for crypto right now, and Saitama is there and is really there in full force guys. But before we jump into this video and talk about price predictions and all that stuff, let's jump into some recent Twitter announcements and see what's going on here guys. So Gabriel will be the presenter for Saitama Dubai Expos. He will discuss how Saitama moves from meme to fame in the DeFi space. Tune in here from 7:45 a.m. EST, right? So guys, they are there, they're speaking, who knows what they could drop. I mean, there could be a lot of big announcements that come out at this Dubai Expo. I definitely suspect that they have something planned that's huge to shock everybody there, and only time will tell guys. This is going to be going on for the next 2 days, so we will see what Saitama brings to the table. I do feel like they are going to shine here at that Dubai Expo, and it already looks like they are guys. It seems that they're pretty packed. So the booth is packed with some celebrities. Wish you were here, Wolfpack. And if you are, share your post with Saitama Saitama Dubai Expos. We're the Wolfpack, right? And I think his name is Hasibullah, right? So he's over there. Wow, and he has the Saitama gear on. Let's go. Really cool, guys. I mean, just a ton of people showing up. Star-studded event over there, guys. Really cool to see us making moves in Dubai, which is the crypto capital of the world, in my opinion. And this is the biggest expo in the world for crypto, guys. So I'm just really excited to see us making noise, and who knows what could come out of this, guys. I know that there's a lot of big people in space there, so they could be making really big partnerships and so on and so forth. I mean, there's a ton that can stem from this expo, guys. At 11 a.m. EST, we're having a maintenance window on SataMask, and it will last 30 minutes. Services affected is the SataMask app and SataSwap. Might have a small momentary intermittent lapse in service, right? So, just be patient, guys. They have a lot going on right now. I'm sure they're juggling this expo along with just on the back end all the technical stuff. So, it's cool that they're updating us on Twitter for that. Momentary lapse in service, right? Come check out our accessories and the exclusive NFT card game Shirio. Join Saitama's Dubai Wolfpack to share your event experiences. See you tomorrow. So let's check this out, guys. Wow, looking really cool. You love to see them advertising Shirio, guys. If you guys would like me to make a whole video, just explaining what Shirio is, definitely let me know down in the comments below. I was honestly thinking of making some content on it, and would like to hear your guys' feedback. If you guys want that content, definitely let me know. Looks like a really cool card game, guys. I definitely want to check it out. And then we have our Saitama merch here. Obviously, some booth giveaways, right? Just to help with the marketing, guys. I mean, the more you guys see Saitama around, the better, and I do believe that they are going to shock investors, guys. I feel something really big coming up. Who knows what they're gonna drop, but definitely stay tuned here on the channel because I will be covering it. If they drop any huge announcements, I want you guys to find out about it here first, right? So now let's jump into the good stuff. I know you guys have been waiting. Let's jump into the charts and talk price and price predictions and overall sentiment. Let's give this chart a look. Looks like we are down about 1.40% for the day, but we are up 16% in volume, guys. Don't always pay attention to this number. Sometimes it's good to look at an increase in volume, guys. Up or down, volume is good, guys. So let's see how we here on the chart. Well, that's not true. I guess downward volume, just straight downward volume isn't good, but healthy consolidation, a good up and downstream is good, right? So We are so far down from the all-time high, guys. I mean, if you guys are not looking at the market and all of this turmoil that's going on in the world right now, it's directly affecting market, guys. And I just look at these times as buying opportunities, not financial advice, guys. It's just the way that I invest my money. Like, if I see that there's world events and they're directly impacting a chart, I definitely am looking into it as buying opportunities, because I mean, this is how you see patterns, right? World events happen and then the pumps and then it goes back down is what you call what's the word for it? I'm so sorry. Uh, Not a reversal, guys. It's a correction, right? After a pump, you find a correction. Sorry, I had a loss for words there. So once a chart pumps like this, guys, 99% of the time it's always going to correct. And the same goes with events that launch a cryptocurrency. Events can also make it dip, right, guys? So I do believe that we are on a dip, and if you've heard the term buy the dip, that is a real thing. That is a real trading strategy that a lot of people adopt, or yeah, adopt, right? So definitely just looking at this price here is much farther from here, and they are still in full force, guys. Like, Saitama is not going anywhere. They are here at the Dubai event, and honestly, um, that's how you deliver on roadmaps and stuff, guys. You show up at these events, you show your investors that, hey, we're here and we're not going anywhere, right? So definitely gonna smash the thumbs up here, because we are bullish on Saitama here on the channel, right? So let's keep going here. And price predictions, right? So price predictions, I do believe, are fairly decent here on uh coin market cap. So I give it a solid 20% in the next 28 days. I feel like it could go up. I feel like they're going to deliver a lot here at the at this Dubai Expo, and just depending on how many hands they shake and what kind of partnerships stem from this, guys. I mean, it could be a really, really big month for Saitama. Obviously not financial advice, I'm just giving you guys my opinion on where I think price could go, right? That being said, guys, let me know down in the comments below where you guys think price will go. Are you guys super bullish on Saitama? Are you guys stoked for this Dubai event? Or do you guys feel like it may go down after the Dubai event just due to, people overhyping it, right? There's a bunch of ways you can look at it, but I'm definitely still bullish here on the channel. That being said, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed my video today. If you did, make sure you smash that like button, hit the notification bell, and also leave some comments down below and let me know how you guys feel about Saitama, overall market sentiment, Dubai Expo. Are you guys stoked for more projects launching on SataMask? Are you guys happy with the SataMask UI that we have so far? Do you guys want an update to it? Just let me know anything. I definitely respond to all comments. So that being said, guys, oh, one more thing I do need to mention. In the comments down below, I highly, highly suggest that you never respond to anybody trying to reach out to you and talk to you on WhatsApp or any other fishy things like that, guys. There's so many scams in cryptocurrency that is going on right now, and you can see in every cryptocurrency's crypto YouTubers comments, there's people trying to scam, guys. There's people impersonating the YouTuber. They're using their profile pictures and trying to say, hey, reach out to me on WhatsApp. I'll help you invest your money, blah, blah, blah. It's a scam, guys. So be very, very careful. This is like the biggest problem in cryptocurrency is all these scams going on. But I do feel like the more we educate each other, the more we can kind of dodge all those scams and, make it not a thing anymore, guys. Because the less you see that stuff in headlines, people falling for it and getting their money taken, I do feel like this space will improve and you'll see more volume. More people will want to put their money in cryptocurrency because they will feel that it's more safe, right? And honestly, it's just something to look forward to in the future. I do feel like there will be a paradigm shift, and it will go from, headlines of being titles of people got scammed for their money, and the title will read instead, people are getting very, very rich from cryptocurrency. I would love to see that paradigm shift, guys. You see it hit and miss. It switches on and off, but I feel like as time goes forward, that will be the new narrative, guys. I think we are starting to figure out these scams. and people are becoming more aware and educated. So, it's just something that I like to highlight here on the channel. We are always trying to educate you guys about, being safe when navigating this crazy cryptocurrency NFT space, guys. And, the future is definitely looking bright in my opinion. So, that being said, guys, it's Crypto Ether, and I'm out of here. Peace.